This is Santej Kalada. Today in this video, I'll be showing you how you can build a Telegram bot which will convert your audio to text message. So that's basically what the bot does. In fact, I have added a extra feature here. That is, whatever you're telling to the bot, it will actually use that as a search query, search online, finds the answers and add it here. But if you do not want that, you can skip this part. So yeah, this can be used as an alternative to Whisper Flow and tools like that, transcription tools. So let's get started building the automation. First step is we'll add a Telegram trigger. For that, just search for Telegram. Under trigger, you have something called on message. Add it here. And here you need to actually create a Telegram bot. So in my case, I already have a bot. Otherwise, just click on create new credentials and click on this open docs and follow this instructions as it is. Like basically all you have to do is just message this particular bot. That is, copy this URL. This is the bot. Just drop a message to this bot and follow the instructions. The bot that I have created for this automation. This is the bot father account. I think now it should be visible. So this is actually my chat with the bot father account. So once you have opened a chat with this bot father, just type new bot and then it will ask you what is the name that you're going to use. So I have given it N8N tutorial. And what is the bot name, username? So I have given N8N tutorial, but since it was already taken, I have given it another name. So by then the bot is actually created. So it has given me the access token here. So I'll just copy that and add it in my N8N account. See, add the access token here and save it. In my case, I have already added it here. Now I have just added a if condition. Okay, I've added a if condition. See, in fact, let me just quickly show you. Like whenever you are sending an audio message, this is how N8N is receiving the input. So in the input, there will be MIME type audio OGG. Okay? And there will be a file ID and there is a unique file ID. So this is how the input would look like if you are sending an audio message. Now I have added a if condition. So all I'm doing is I've just dragged and dropped this voice here. And under object, I am just checking if it exists. That means that if it is an audio message, this particular part will exist. So I'm just checking if that particular part exists. So it comes as true. If that is the case, I need to download the file. For that, again, I'll search for Telegram. Under Telegram, there is an option called get a file. I have added it here. And as for the file ID, this is the file ID. That is the input we have received. In the Telegram trigger, we have received a file ID, right? Just drag and drop it here and make sure that you're selecting the option download. So that looks good. And if it is downloaded, you will get the output something like this. And next, what I need to do is I need to transcribe that recording. So for transcribing the recording, we can use OpenAI node. So we have the OpenAI node here. And we have an option called transcribe recording. Add it here. And we need to create an OpenAI account and add the API key if it doesn't exist. So to create an OpenAI account, all you have to do is click on create new credentials and click on open docs. And once you open the docs, it will actually give you very detailed step-by-step instructions. That is, log into your OpenAI account or create an account. So just click here, open in a new tab and create a new account if it doesn't exist. After that, open the API key space. So I have just opened my API key space, and before opening the API key space, make sure that you have added billing here and added a credit balance of at least $5. Okay, add at least $5 in credit balance. I think that is the minimum you need to recharge. After that, go to API keys, click on create a secret key, give it any random name, select any random project, click on create a key. And once the key is created, all you have to do is come back to your N8N account, add the API key here, and click on save button. Now, in my case, I have already added my OpenAI account, so I'm not doing anything else. So that operation is transcribe a recording, and see the input is this name. So in this case, it is data, so that is the input. So the output is C. See, basically what I did was I asked the bot when is Elon Musk's birthday. So it has converted it into a text. So that is done. And transcribe the recording. See, once it is transcribed, I need to send it as a message back, right? So again, for that, I am using a Telegram node, and I'm just using send a message option. Yeah, send a text message. And here, as for the chat ID, what we'll do is, see, in the Telegram trigger, you will get the chat ID. See, this is the ID from. Just drag and drop it here. And as for the text, here is the transcription. That is always constant. And then the transcription. Transcription we'll get from this particular step. Transcribe a recording and text. Just add it here. When is Elon Musk's birthday? So that is the, and here there will be an option called append N8N attribution. Just add it and make sure that it is disabled. Otherwise, under each Telegram message, there will be something like this message was sent using N8N. So that is done. So this is basically how you convert audio to text. And if you just want this feature, you can just stop it here. So this is basically how you convert a Telegram audio to text. Now what I've done is I have added an extra feature here. That is basically whatever you're asking, it will search online. Okay? It will search online, find the answer to that and send it back. So for that, again, what I did is, again, added an OpenAI node, then message a model. And under message a model in the list, what I'm adding is, I'm just selecting GPT-4o search preview. So this basically means that it will search online and it will find the answer. And if you just check the output of this, as you can see, it is finding the output and it is actually mentioning the source. From which source did it find that answer? So I added it here and the output would be something like this. And again, this output, we need to send it back. So again, I added a send a text message node, Telegram node. And here for chat ID, again, as I told you, like we did earlier, chat ID is from here in the Telegram trigger node. This ID I have dragged and dropped it here. And as for text message, see, that is the message from search online, this particular node. I have just dragged and dropped it here. So it will send that. Now what I'll do is, let me just quickly run a test and show you how it works. So let me just quickly open my Telegram app. So in my Telegram app, let me take the N8N tutorial. Now let me just quickly send it a message. So what I'm going to do is, I'm going to ask it some games that I can play with my Shih Tzu. And let's see how it responds. Can you please tell me some games I can play with my dog? My dog is a small breed dog. It's a Shih Tzu. See, a 8-second clip was sent. Now let's just quickly move to our automation. In fact, if I check in the execution, it is actually running. Now see here. See, here is the transcription. Can you tell me some games I can play with my dog? My dog is a small breed dog. It's a Shih Tzu. Now see here, it's giving me different games I can play with my dog along with the sources. Each one source is mentioned here. Okay. So a very good automation, right? So yeah, this is basically an example of the bot. So yeah, I hope all of you like this automation. If you like this automation, please click on the subscribe button. And if you have any doubts at all, please let me know in the comment section below. And once again, I just want to remind you that this automation is available for free inside my school community. So I've given a link to my school community in the description of this video as well. Once again, thank you for watching this video and I'll see you in the future videos. Thank you.